YouTube. So we were fixing the Civic, trying to put coilovers on down there. Well, let me show you guys what happened. Oh, snap bolt. Oh. So,
that's gonna be such a bitch. I'm gonna just say this now. Let's just fucking cut it there and there. You're gonna get this replaced anyway. Fucking just cut it there. That's all you're gonna really have to do, and then just knock that out.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
That's the only option.
But it's super rusty under here. Like,
yeah.
all that rust. Let me show you guys the parts we're actually installing today. We're gonna try to install today. Lower control arm, camber, my doodads, and then the Yonaka coilovers. So these are on the Civic today. We're gonna try to get them on. If not, we'll try them tomorrow. It's actually really cold. And I've got Josh here trying to help me out. So we're trying to get the lower bolts for the suspension off, and then I'll show you guys actually where the bolts are at. So the bolt he's on right now, that holds these.
This is moving freely, so that's good.
Okay, so the bolt he's doing right now, that takes off the lower part of the suspension. And then when you take out your speaker in the rear, you got two way down there. You should.
A large size ratchet.
Oh, I have no idea. It's probably in the car. So there's two down there. You need to break those two loose, and your suspension's free. One of these wrenches, super useful. I picked this up from a yard sale a couple of years ago. It was like $5, but it works perfect for getting bolts down here like this. These were a bitch. And I was like looking through my tools and I found. Okay, Panda's back. He went and picked up my sockets for me. So.
God damn it! Where? I had.
The bolt down here.
Not that one.
So the bolt is on. That bolt is a 14.
I had. What the hell? Oh. You're using it.
That bolt's a 14, and then we're gonna have to take off that lower bolt there. I believe that's also a 14.
Holy shit. Oh, that's coming out. Whew. Okay. Now.
Okay, so that's one off. Because we're replacing this whole arm, we're gonna go ahead and take off. Well, we're gonna take.
I'm gonna have to take
this
that
bolt
off
out.
because this thing is stuck there now.
Out, and then this bolt's out here.
Or we could just keep spinning that.
Let me see. I think that one's a 15.
15.
Let's see, 15 foot.
Hold on.
Okay, we've already all
That totally worked.
Nope, it's not a 15, it's a 14.
Keep going, keep going.
It's all the way out. I just gotta tap it out now.
Yep, just tapping it. That's it.
Alright, so we got one more. That one's out, that one's out. When you get this one out here, we're going to take that bolt out, and then I'll show you guys with us dropping this rear suspension out.
Yay!
Josh just successfully separated the bolt. We are winning here.
There we go. Alright, it's all done. We can put it in.
Sweet.
Alright, now let's see if I can take these out now.
So
those, what are you thinking about those?
Impacting them off with the Roby. Or not the Roby, the whatever. We're going to install these lower control arms and then the tail arms up there.
Shiny parts.
Yes, shiny parts. Josh just got done grinding one side off because we've snapped. Josh snapped that top bolt up there.
Hey, I didn't mean to. That bitch
And
was
then-
rusted as hell.
The lower bolt down here on the bottom of the hub, that sees to the collar on that control arm. The one
Yep.
there. So we're going to replace everything here. As you guys see, there's new brake lines. So we're gonna go ahead and get this new control arm in real quick. Let's go ahead and spin her in here instead. Oh, just lift it, I got it.
Oh yeah, you just need to screw it in.
Yep. So we've got this one in. All 3 in. Here, let me get the impact to push it in. Hold on, Josh and Pooh. We're almost done. All right. Let me just see if I can. Is there a nut on the back side of that?
Yes.
Okay.
It's on the actual coilover on the other side, remember?
Yep. Want to make sure. So this is a 14 millimeter socket, or yeah, 14? Yeah, it's a 14. We're gonna go and drill the coilover. I'm not gonna tighten it, but get it close.
Smooth.
That one's in. Let me go ahead and tighten this one up real quick. Not tighten, but get it close. Lower control arm's on now. We need to go back and tighten these up. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to move on to the camber arms up top here. You can actually kind of see one. Josh's already cut it away a little bit. That's one. Right out.
Okay, that was very surprisingly easy.
Some clean ass threads there.
I would not even trust those again because I know damn well with bad experience in Hondas, that is gonna split again.
Well, we're on a budget. We ain't got money for new bolts right now. We just bought new bolts.
We just need to extend the
Camber gang. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go and adjust this to match that other arm real quick, guys, and then we're gonna move on to the passenger side.
Ooh, this is looking so cool. I don't need your products. Like, no.
I see. It's in there.
Yay, it looks so nice and shiny.
Yeah, no, I just gotta do something about the
Rust.
yeah, all that rust needs to come out now.
Okay, well, looks nice.
All right, so that's one side done. Sweet. I'm just gotta tighten everything else down. Hi, baby girl. No, go potty, baby girl, go potty. All right, anyways, we're back. It's been a couple days since I was in the coilovers. I had a problem. The whole suspension had to be cut out the rear, and this had to be broken off. I'll show you guys where it actually broke off from, where I had to break it from. So that's where it broke from. That's where your lower control arm is gonna mount to the chassis. Throw that coilover in, and we're putting her on the ground. Then we'll move to the front. Normally with these type of bushings, I would recommend you would preload your suspension. So taking a jack and sitting it like here, just to keep the suspension preloaded. But I ain't got time, it's late, it's dark. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the front in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and get this last bolt back here. All right, we got Rico over here, Jonathan's over here. We're gonna go ahead and finish knocking the front side of this car out. We just took the two 14s off the top. And then I believe the 117 that's sitting down here at the bottom. So you guys don't actually need to remove anything. We already have the top one out just because there's reasons. We're gonna remove, yeah, Jonathan's already got the idea. But here's a quicker way. If we take this tie rod end right here, we're just gonna unspin this. Now you can just push down. Hold on, here, let me step on it for you. Then you should be able to just flex the whole suspension out. Now when you're putting this coilover on the front, you're gonna need to take, hold on, this bolt here needs to come off. You're gonna take this coilover sub-assembly, pop it onto this, tighten this arm back down, and then throw it back in the car. So I'll show you guys that when it's done. So once you take that lower bolt out here, this subsection has to come out. Ours is kind of rusted, so what you can do is take this hammer, lay it flat. You see how that just broke? This is a big gate. We're just going to hammer this back. Oh well, whichever one we step on. Cool. Sweet. And it's out. So this part would slide on here. Bolt would go back in. And then you put it in the car, but you know, this goes all the way up. type unit.
Oh, it's true. Oh.
Yeah, park somewhere else.